Good afternoon to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can put a photo on a photo. And for this tutorial, I'm not going to use any Photoshop or any paid version of softwares or something like that, but just with MS Paint. Yes, you heard right. See here. This is MS Paint, and right on MS Paint, I'll show you how you can put a photo on a photo, or you can that may be any background image or a person image or any sort of image. You can put a photo on a photo. I'll show you. So this is the blank document. See here, this is the blank document. For example, you can take something like new document. See here, new. And what makes the option for us to put a photo on photo is with the new update of this MS Paint option with the option called layers. So in the previous versions of MS Paint, you may have not seen this layer option, but with the latest update, and this is on the Windows 11 laptop. And see here, this is the background remover. These two options are really helpful. I'll show you. First of all, I'll just import one image. See here, import to canvas. From my computer, I'll just take one image. Yeah, this is the background image. Okay, I'll try to keep a image on this image, but before that I'll use this concept. See on the right side, I'll click on this plus symbol so that a blank new layer gets open. So this is highlighted. See, when this is highlighted, I again will open. For example, in this tutorial, I'll keep a person image, maybe that's your photo, selfie or something like that, which suits the background. And I'll use this option, as I told you, background remover. Just with one click, all those background gets removed. So this is pretty cool option, and if you are seeing this for the first time, you may hit a like button for this video. See here, and on the layers concept, you can drag and move it to forward. See here. So now the person went to background, and the nature we photo gets on the foreground. And again you can do this. I'll again go and make it to top so that it appears on top. You can right click on it, you can click on move down, and you can, yes. And I'll try to take one more picture, import from canvas, and I'll just use another picture. See here. Yeah, I forgot to take this layer. Yeah, select this layer, and now I'll take that bike picture. See here, as in the background, I'll just remove that background. Everything gets vanished, all the background. And now if I move this to top, this gets on top. See, this is how you can put a photo on photo right within your Windows laptop without having to install, or without having the knowledge of that Photoshop or any other softwares, photo editing softwares. Just within use of MS Paint, we can do that. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice